Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making rosemary garlic biscuits. These biscuits are so delicious and you can serve them as breakfast or as dinner. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is start sifting 2 cups of flour into our large mixing bowl, along with half a teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So the next thing I'm going to add is just 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm just gonna give this a stir. So once everything's mixed together, I'm gonna add in my chopped rosemary. I used about 1 sprig, and then also 2 cloves of minced garlic. One thing about the garlic is after you've minced it, make sure you press it into the cutting board. This softens it up and it also releases some of those oils. So now what I'm adding is half a cup of butter, which I've chopped into little cubes, and I'm gonna get in with my hand and mix everything together till we have a nice crumbly texture. Once your butter is completely incorporated in your flour, I made a hole in the very center, and I'm just gonna crack my 2 eggs. So now what I've done is I've just whisked together the eggs in the center, and then to that I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of milk. So you're just gonna mix this until everything's fully combined. I'll warn you, this mixture is going to be very sticky, but in the end that is completely okay. We're going to be adding more flour to it. The thing we're going to do is add our dough onto our floured surface and knead it together for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I am rolling this by hand today, but usually if I'm being honest, I'll use my Cuisinart and let it do the work for me. So once you've kneaded the dough until it's nice and smooth, I've rolled it out until it's about a little bit more than 1 inch. And I'm going to take a cup, or if you have a pastry cutter, you can use that. There we have our beautiful biscuit. Once you've cut out as many biscuits as you can, I've just mixed the dough back together and rolled it out once more. And I'm just gonna do my butter wash for my biscuits. So all this is just 1 egg and then a splash of milk mixed together. Once you've egg washed all your biscuits, I'm going to put them in the oven at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes until they're all nice and golden brown. Here we have our beautiful finished biscuits, and they're nice and golden brown. And the best part is getting to taste them. So good, so flaky. The rosemary in there is so defined and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy.